Today we will learn about the concept of disease or the sick according to the homeopathic philosophy, as quoted by Master Hahnemann in Organon of Medicine in Para First or Aphorism First, the highest mission of physician. We will not go inside the aphorism first, but learn its philosophical part, that is, of word sick. As quoted by Master Hahnemann, the trinity of life, that is, mind, body, and vital force, are all interdependent, and even a small deviation affects this trinity. The alternations or the deviation produced on vital force are seen on mind and body as signs and symptoms. So, we can say that sign and symptoms are language of nature. Now comes what is disease or why it occurs. Disease is due to the susceptibility of vital force towards morphic noxious agent which have dynamic influence on vital force. As it is said that nature of vital force is dynamic, so the influences occurred over it should also be dynamic influence, and the result of this is also dynamic, that is, signs and symptoms manifested on our body. Whereas allopaths sees the cause of disease to be material agents. Symptoms appear either in lab diagnosis, physical level, that is, by examination. And then a doctor says, you are suffering from and so disease, and on the basis of this they give cure. But homeopathy does not believe in it, as it believes that all people are different from each other, that is the concept of individualization. They sees every case as a new individual case which manifests its new or peculiar nature of signs and symptoms. As here are quoted 3 examples as we can relate this pandemic COVID-19 with these 3 examples. First, asymptomatic patient with positive test. Second, asymptomatic patient with negative test. Third, symptomatic patient with positive test. Here we see that the 2 people are positively tested for COVID-19, but one is asymptomatic and other one is symptomatic. That is, here the concept of individualization of homeopathy rules, that what affecting one individual cannot or may not affect the other individual, even of same race, even of same age. Now see another example. If one patient have any problem like pain during passing stools or sleeplessness, then it doesn't mean that the patient is not sick, as it starts growing day by day and progresses from an acute to a chronic stage, and that stage will be incurable stage. So there is a reason why even a small alteration in our body occurs, and it has to be diagnosed thoroughly from the starting. Disease is also made from 2 different words, that is dis plus ease, that is when a person may look healthy but not comfortable in his normal sense, that is if a person feeling sleeplessness all the time, this is not a normal symptom or a normal state of health. According to homeopathy, the man is prior to the organs, and organs are not men. So instead of targeting or localizing our treatment, we should cure a patient as a whole, according to the totality of symptom we get from the patient, from which we will form the portrait of the disease. On that basis, we will prescribe our remedy from the materia medica. If we take another example of cadaver versus a living man, we will find that cadaver cannot have or constitute will and understanding, nor it can perform functions and can perceive sensation, but a living person can. So, if we are treating a person as a whole, we should take its will, understanding, manifestations, normal symptoms, sensations in our prescription. That is, if we are prescribing over name of diseases and not on symptom, it will just result in decreased sickness but increase progress to any other form and run in chains. Example of rheumatoid arthritis, which when palliative treatment given goes into rheumatic heart disease. That is, the progression of sickness takes place and goes into more important organ, and then it will run into genes. Hahnemann also said there is no disease but the sick people, and physician should correct interior of the people, and that is will understanding cogently as they constitute men. If we are not restoring health and only removing symptom, the sick stage or the disease state will never go from the men, as it only palliate and go from less important organ to more important organ, or from periphery to center. Here I end my video. Thanks for watching.